كريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teacher, and my dear class fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is the role of youth in nation building. Honorable Chief Guest, the term nation building or national development is usually used to refer to a constructive process of engaging all citizens in building social cohesion, economic prosperity, and political stability in a nation, and in closer and democratic way. Going by the definition, it is seen that all citizens ought to be involved in building or developing a nation. Thus, the involvement of youth in national development is must. In fact, youth play one of the most important roles in national building. Honorable Chief Guest,